Hey yo, it's Bless.
Yes.
Uqhamuka futhi manje wena?
I'm sorry, dog. I'm sorry.
Hayi
You
awukahle
can
mfethu.
carry on.
Sizopromote lana mfethu. Oh, all right. Yo, remember when I said that I'm currently working on a cooking show with a friend?
Sishaya iy'tshulu.
Dog. Serious?
Oh, okay. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, can I do this?
I'm sorry.
All right. So I'm working on a cooking show with a friend, and each and every Sunday we are dropping a new episode. So if you are interested in learning on how to cook or expand your knowledge mayelana nokupheka, do make sure that
Namanje angisho lutho. Oh,
all right,
no.
it's
No,
Bless.
it's
Yes.
fine. It's
You
your
want to say the
show.
yeah?
It's your show.
Okay.
Relax.
Yeah.